Hi YouTube, we meet again. Okay. I'm so sorry about this. Oh my god. Like, I was like, hey, is the floor so comfy? So then I like fell down to the floor and my cat's trying to eat my hair. She's like, string. Yeah. Hey, Smokey. Yeah, it's probably gonna be on YouTube. And I'm still wearing that necklace. See? It still has friends. Smokey, me. Smokey, me. Sunday, tomorrow school. I don't like school. I really don't like school. It's like, homework, why? She's staring at my hair. Okay, I wonder what would happen if I moved a little bit. So, yeah, I was bored and I decided, how about I do a YouTube video now? Yeah, even though I'm laying on the floor and my cat is trying to eat my hair or bite it. I don't know. She's crazy. I think she ate or stole some of my candy and yeah, but no, I hid it. I hid my candy so no one knows where it is. No one knows. So yeah. My hair is like spreading out like crazy a little bit, not much. Like crazy colors. See? I don't know if you can see the purple. Yeah. My cat still here. Right next to me. There I go. Bye.